In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Airtable with WordPress. Yes, Airtable can work with WordPress, and there are several simple ways to make that happen depending on what you need. You might want to embed an Airtable view directly on a page, display records in a more customized way, or even sync form submissions and other data automatically. The best approach depends on your goal, so the first thing to do is decide which method makes the most sense for your site. If you only want visitors to see an Airtable base or a specific view on your website, an embed is usually the fastest and easiest option. If you want more control over how records appear, a plugin may be better. And if your goal is to move data between WordPress and Airtable automatically, then an automation tool like Zapier or Make is a stronger choice. Taking a moment to choose the right method upfront will save time later and help you avoid setting up more than you actually need. If you're going with the embed option, head over to Airtable and copy the share link for the view you want to display. Make sure you're using the correct shared view, since that's what WordPress will use to show the content on your site. This is especially useful when you only need a clean, visible version of your data without any advanced syncing. Next, open the WordPress page or post where you want Airtable to appear. This could be an existing page on your site or a brand new one, depending on where the content fits best. Once you're in the editor, you're ready to place the Airtable content exactly where you want visitors to see it. Now embed Airtable by pasting in the embed code, or use a plugin if that fits your setup better. Embedding is often the most direct option, while plugins can give you extra display flexibility inside WordPress. If you're using a plugin, be sure to follow its setup instructions so the Airtable data renders properly on the page. If you need data to move between platforms instead of just being displayed, use Zapier or Make for automation. This is helpful when you want WordPress activity, like form submissions, to sync with Airtable automatically. It adds a little more setup, but it can save a lot of manual work over time. Finally, test everything in WordPress by previewing the page and confirming that the Airtable content appears correctly. Check that it loads properly, looks good on the page, and displays the information you expect. Once that's confirmed, your Airtable and WordPress integration is ready to go.